In this video, we are going to know about the Red Data Book. What is Red Data Book? It is the Red List of Threatened Species by IUCN, also known as IUCN Red List. IUCN क्या होता है? International Union for Conservation of Nature. It established in the year 1964 and its headquarters is present in Cambridge, United States. Then categories of Red Data Book. How in Red Data Book, how the species are categorized. Then all species are divided into two categories. First evaluated and non-evaluated. Evaluated मतलब जिन species के बारे में हमें पता है और not evaluated मतलब उनके बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं. Then evaluated again divided into adequate data and data deficient. Adequate data मतलब उनके बारे में हमारे पास डाटा है लेकिन data deficient में उनके बारे में कुछ डाटा इतना नहीं है. Adequate data again divided into extinct in the wild, threatened categories, near threatened and least concern. Again threatened categories divided into critically endangered and vulnerable. And these seven categories are in the risk of extinction. Extinct in the wild, critically endangered, vulnerable, near threatened and least concern. Then we will study one by one. First one is extinct. Animal species that have stopped breeding, died or no longer exist. Last individual has died. Extinct मतलब वो भी दुनिया में है ही नहीं, उनका breeding खत्म हो गया है, they died or they no longer exist. The last individual has also died. The extinct in the wild, a classification for species that can only be found in captivity, cultivation, or as a naturalized population outside of their historic range. They are conserved in zoo or national park. Some species are only found. Critically endangered is a species that possesses a high risk of extinction as a result of rapid population declines of 80 to more than 90% over the previous 10 years. पिछले 10 साल से उनका पॉपुलेशन 80 to 90% खत्म हो गया in the high risk of extinction. Then आ गया endangered. Species that possesses a high risk of extinction is a result of rapid population decline of 50 to more than 70% over the previous 10 years. Previous 10 years से इनका 10 year में इनका population 50 to 70% कम हो गया है. They are a very high risk of extinction. Their current population size is less than 250 individuals. And in critical endangered, their current population is less than 50. Next, vulnerable meets one of the 5 red list criteria and thus considered to be a high risk of unnatural extinction without further human intervention. Vulnerable means it is one of the 5 red list criteria में आता है और ये जो एक्सटिंक्शन हुआ है ये अननेचुरल है, ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन के वजह से हुआ है, ह्यूमन कॉज्ड है, जैसे कि हंटिंग, पोचिंग, ये सब के वजह से जो एनिमल स्पीसीज का एक्सटिंक्शन हुआ है इसे हम बोलते हैं vulnerable. फिर आता है near threatened. A taxon is near threatened when it has been evaluated against the criteria but doesn't qualify the criteria endangered and vulnerable now, but it's close to qualifying for or is likely to be qualified for a threatened category in the near future. ये near threatened क्या है? ये अभी तक threatened category में नहीं आया है. Threatened category मतलब endangered, critically endangered, vulnerable, इसमें ये नहीं आया है, लेकिन near future में ये आ सकता है. ये और भी कैटेगरी को फॉलो करता है. A 10% and higher chance of extinction in the 100 year और population decline of 10% or more in 10 year. ये 100 ईयर में हाई चांस ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन रहता है. 10% एक्सटिंक्शन हो सकता है इन द नेक्स्ट 100 ईयर. इन नेक्स्ट 10 ईयर पॉपुलेशन में भी डिक्लाइन टू 10%. Least concern species that are not endangered and don't need to be focus of wildlife conservation. Species जो लोग endangered नहीं है उनके ऊपर फोकस ही, उनका नंबर बहुत ज़्यादा है, उनको लीस्ट कंसर्न में रखा गया है. तो आई थिंक यू ऑल आर understanding the video.